Hello everyone, this is Vibi. So today I'm gonna tell you some information regarding AIMS BB Nagar, that is AIMS Telangana document verification process. So guys, before starting the video, I ask every nurse to support our channel. Guys, we are putting our best efforts to provide you regular updates. So please like, share our videos and subscribe to our channel, The Nightingale Tales. So coming to the video, this video is completely based on my imaginary views and on my assumptions. So please don't take it seriously. It may happen or might not happen according to my imagination. So just watch the video till the end. So as a AIMS aspirant, I too dream big to get into this AIMS institute. Uh, but I think there will be some delay in document verification, particularly to this AIMS BB Nagar or AIMS Telangana Institute. I'm saying this on my views as I'm a native to Telangana. So I knew some of the reasons. So there are mainly three reasons, and first one is it's local politics, guys. In the month of March, it's on March 14th, there will be MLC elections in the state, in Telangana state. So there might be a delay in the document verification of this institute because of the local influence or because of the local politics that going to happen in March 14th. So here is the publishment, guys. This is the local newspaper pick. I have got it for you. The showing that election commission announces schedule for Telangana graduate MLC election. So yes, it's been 3 days that the election commission has been announced the schedule for Telangana regarding MLC elections. So it is on March 14th, and the counting day will be the next day. So obviously, till March, uh, it's my point of view that there will be a delay in AIMS BB Nagar or AIMS Telangana recruitment process because of this elections, as the elections have been scheduled ahead. So this is the one of the reasons. Mm, and this is only regarding to this only particular Telangana institute, because other institute may not have the same reasons. So but still there are chances of procrastination of document verification in Telangana. uh, it also may not be associated with the AIMS, because AIMS is a autonomous body, and it takes decision according to its will. So local elections may not influence the institute. So there are 50-50 chances regarding recruitment process or document verification. I sincerely hope there would be no delay or no procrastination in the process of document verification or recruitment. Uh, so you can see here there are some newspaper clippings. I have got it for you people. So you can read there in the second para that polling will be held between 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. on March 14th. So March 14th, every graduate in Telangana must and should vote in MLC elections. So every graduate will be busy in elections. So this might be a reason they consider it. The AIMS Institute may consider it or may not consider it in the process. Um I hope that institute would not be concerned with this state elections and would take it along the document verification process. But there are 50-50 chances, so let's hope for the best. And I'll be giving you regular updates regarding this institutes, AIMS institutes document verification process. So guys, don't forget to subscribe our channel, The Nightingale Tales. This is my new channel, so I request you to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon beside it so that you get notified. And the second reason is because of the recent establishment of the branch. So among all the 16 branches of India, many of the institutes are newly established ones. Among them, AIMS Telangana is also one of them, where it has been established recently, that is in 2019. It is established in 2019. So, and it is AIMS Telangana is recently established institute or branch in 2019, where there is only outpatient services are available currently. So this is the one of the reason, guys. And the clipping I have been showing you in the video is the clip I have got it from the official website of AIMS Telangana. You can go and you can check it out there. Currently there are only OPD services available. There is no IP till now, because as it was recently established, only OPD services are being able to provide by the institute. And after corona, there is no still IP. So every nursing officer who is aiming to get into this institute, by this time you will be knowing that there is no IP services in the AIMS Telangana till now. So this year will be the first batch, or the persons or the nursing officers who will be recruiting in this year will be the first batch to provide services to the patients in inpatient service. So I wish everyone all the best. You will be the first batch to provide service in IP or inpatient department. Coming back to the slide, no inpatient care and treatment. There is no inpatient service available in AIMS Telangana currently. This year will be the first to initiate the IP setup. So the nursing officers who qualified NOSET 2020, and who will be recruiting into this AIMS Telangana will be the first batch to provide the service to people in IP setup, that is inpatient setup. The institute may take time to adjust all the procurements or all the material to start a IP setup. That it might be material, hospital material, it might be beds, it might be everything needed to set up an IP setup or IP department. The institute may take time to establish all the materials and to procure all the materials required to uh, come out to set up a IP service so that they can provide a good service. And the third most reason is it may be delayed in case you have selected option 2. This is applicable for every institute and every candidate who have selected option 2 in their counseling, in their process in which we have uploaded the documents. So we have got two options, that is option 1 and option 2. uh, Recently, while allocating the institute, while we have got our institutes among all the 16 preferences, those candidates who have opted option 2, this might this there might be reasons uh, to delay the process, because it may take time to schedule all the preferences by the candidates, and to reset all the candidates into their preferable AIMS branches. So the third reason is applicable for every institute and for every candidate who have opted option 2 during institute allocation. So guys, this video is just based on my assumptions and imaginations. um, so if you have got some aims in AIMS institute allocation, and if AIMS Telangana is in our higher preferences, then there will be delay. So lastly, my advice for every NORCET qualified candidates is check your candidate dashboard for clarification request, those who have opted option 2. um, I have made a video on how to check your clarification request on your own candidate dashboard. So guys, check it out. The video is already published in my channel. So check your emails and messages and keep your documents ready because you may be notified at any time. Yes guys, there might be chances that before the end of this month, before the end of the February, you may get every institute may give you an order to come and get your documents verified. So be alert, hurry up with your original documents and be ready so that there won't be any mistake or there won't be any impunctuality in your document verification. So don't forget to subscribe our channel, The Nightingale Tales, and watch out my other videos on how to check clarification request from your own candidate dashboard that is in your own mobile. So please guys, don't forget to subscribe, and if any queries, comment down in the comment section. Thank you.